Here, now. 32 counts, 2 walls, intermediate nightclub. Weight on the left. Section 1. Forward on right as you run. 2 more run, left, right. Quarter side, facing 3, and look left. Run quarter, quarter, facing 9. Press on right and bend down. Recover with sweep, back sweep. Behind side. Start open your body to the right diagonal. Count section 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Section 2. Make a 1-8 facing 10-30. Forward on left, arabesque. Rock forward on right and bend down. Recover with low kick. 2 run back, right, left. Make a quarter lunge and bend right knee, facing 10-30. 1-8 recover, square up to 12. Forward right, sweep quarter. Cross, quarter back, facing 12. Count section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Section 3. Rock left back. Recover half, facing 6. Repeat on right foot. Rock, recover, half back, facing 12. Quarter side, facing 9. Weave, cross, side, behind, side. Rock, recover. Count section 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. Section 4. Side right. Half diamond. 1-8, 10-30. Forward, forward. 1-8, 12. Side. 1-8, 130. Back, back. 1-8, facing 3. Side. Cross rock. Recover quarter forward, facing 12. Step, pivot half, facing 6. This is the end of the main dance. Count section 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Tag 8 counts. This 8 counts tag always stands facing 6, but I'm going to show you facing 12. Tag 8 count. Forward on right, left mumble, rock, recover back with sweep. Point right toe behind and make quarter turn with circle arm. You finish with weight on the right and prep for the turn. 1 1/4 pencil turn. Step turn. Point right out, open hands in front of face, palm facing out, over 2 counts. And start again. Count for the tag. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8 count tag will be danced after wall 1, facing 6, after wall 3, facing 6, dance twice. Count for the tag. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and start again. At the end of wall 2, facing 12, there will be a small tag, 4 counts. Forward on right, 1. Mumble back, 2 and 3. Back rock, 4 and. Whole dance count. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wall 2. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and after wall 2, small tag, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and then you will do wall 3. At the end of wall 3, facing 6, dance tag twice, and do wall 4, and front wall 5 is the last wall. At the end of the wall 5, last section, instead of rock, recover, quarter, step half, you just do run, run, run to end the whole dance.